In Yellowstone, 2024 will probably be remembered as the year of the hydrothermal explosion. There were two noteworthy such events, each important for different reasons. First came the hydrothermal explosion in Norris Geyser Basin. That occurred on a terrace overlooking Porcelain Basin on April 15th. The area had been a site of abundant thermal activity over the past few years, with water cascading into Nuphar Lake since 2021-2022 and causing the lake to change to a blue-green color and the level to rise. The activity culminated with the April 15th explosion, which left a crater about 10 feet across along with an area of disrupted ground. The explosion was not witnessed because few people were in the park during the seasonal closure, but it was detected in acoustic and seismic monitoring, including new sensors that had been installed in September 2023. This event has the distinction of being the first hydrothermal explosion in Yellowstone to have been detected by monitoring instruments. The April 15th explosion went mostly unnoticed by the public. The same cannot be said about the July 23rd explosion of Black Diamond Pool at Biscuit Basin. This event occurred just before 10 a.m. local time on a bright, sunny day, when dozens of people were in the area. They had to run for safety as an unheralded explosion hurled rocks, mud, liquid water and steam hundreds of feet into the air. Fortunately, there were no injuries, even though geologists later mapped over 1,400 rocks with a long dimension greater than a foot that were ejected by the event. Much of the debris was thrown in the direction of the Firehole River, although the boardwalk adjacent to Black Diamond Pool was severely damaged. Smaller explosive events, reaching a few tens of feet in height, and surges of water continued to occur from the pool into the fall and winter months. There were also interesting changes at thermal features throughout the park during 2024. For example, Economic Geyser, in Upper Geyser Basin, experienced a series of eruptions for the first time since 1999. In West Thumb Geyser Basin, Abyss Pool began to heat up and overflow, and its color changed from dark and somewhat murky to a deep blue as the summer progressed.